What's up YouTube, this is Prince with ATP 101, and in this video I'm going to show you guys this new shoe that I just got. It's the Yeezy 500. So I was trying to get this years ago, never got it at launch because you know how it is at launch, and I didn't want to pay like $500 for it afterwards. So it came back around like a couple weeks ago. It went up for raffle on the Adidas app. So basically, if you want to get these or get like the Yeezy at first launch, you should get the Adidas app, like this one right here. That's a regular Adidas app. You could basically go in there and you could enter the raffle, so you could just register. So this is the next launch, the 350 V2s. So they got it for the kids and the babies. So if you want to get it, all you have to do is basically tap on here and you could register for the enter to the raffle, and then you might win. These cost $220, and the one I got right here cost me $200. So I entered the raffle. I entered like 5 other times to win some other ones and never won. So this is my first time winning. So yeah, it just came in and we're gonna unbox it and take a look at it. So get my knife. 3-star, if you know, you know. Maybe open. Box within a box. So 500. So there it is right there, guys. The 500. So the size. Yeezy 500, made by Adidas. There you can see 9.5, blah blah blah, just like that. So let's open this up. I always like the way the Yeezy box like opens. It just slides out. So that's always cool. Just like that, just slides out. And this is the black one. Just like that, doesn't even come all the way out. And that's the shoe right there. I know these shoes look ugly, like when you first see them, they look ugly, but believe me, when you put them on and you dress up, they look nice. It's one of those shoes you gotta have them on for you to see the real look. So there it is right there. Yeezy black. Oh, these things are nice. And these things are real puffy and soft. The reason why I like Yeezys is because I only have one pair of Yeezys. Because I have the green 350s, and I love that shoe. I only wear it like 4 times because it's not one of those shoes you wear all the time. But it's so comfortable. That's one of my most comfortable shoes. There's some reason that. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be super comfortable as well. So there it is. I mean, nothing real crazy. I just wanted to show you guys. So it looks right there. I mean, it kind of looks like a dad's shoe. You know what I mean? But there you go, guys. I paid $200 for this, and I'm really excited to have it right here. I mean, hopefully I get to wear it soon. I don't know where I'll go with it because, you know, it's covered right now. Not sure. And I even might sell this again. I might sell this back. I might keep it for a couple months, like wait for the price to go up to like maybe 400, and then I'll sell it and just basically double my money. I mean, and these are size 9.5, and smell it. Yes, brand new. The bottom just feels so soft and squishy. Like I know this thing gonna be super comfortable. It also has these cushions like right here. So this whole shoe is built around comfort. I mean, you know, just like that. That look nice, don't it? So when you look at it like that, somebody got it on with the clothes on, everything, it looks real good. But when you just kind of look at it like this, it looks kind of weird. But believe me, these are hot shoes, man. I always wanted one, and I'm gonna enter the raffle to win the other one. Hopefully I get to buy that and show it to you guys. But yeah, look at this, the back. It's just like spongy. This thing is just so, I could tell it's gonna be super comfortable. Just right around, it's all cushioned. I got these big heels, got the Adidas on the inside right there. And on the left it says Addy Preen. I don't know what that is, but it says on the bottom right there, non-marking. So yeah, shout out to Yay. I mean, cause finally got one. Prince at ATP 101. Peace.